Did you know? It turns out you can't sneeze while you're fast asleep. When we sleep, especially during deep, non-REM sleep, the brain decreases sensory nerve activity in the nasal cavity. This makes our bodies less sensitive to stimuli like dust or allergens that typically trigger sneezing. Furthermore, the muscles involved in the sneeze reflex also relax, preventing this reflex from occurring. If a strong stimulus enters the nose, the brain will usually wake us up before we can sneeze. This is why you might wake up suddenly and sneeze, but it's nearly impossible to do so while actually asleep. This phenomenon demonstrates the incredible protective mechanisms our bodies employ during sleep.